A ruler wears an extraordinary suit and goes into a river. As he goes further, he saw an ocean monster. He wounds the monster, the beast attempts to assault the king, he some way or another defeats the beast, however he is intensely harmed. Then certain individuals cuts the beast and takes it heart. The ruler then, at that point dies. Later the queen came and took the heart, she went to the castle and advises a worker to cook the beast's heart. The heart was still beating, she is terrified. She places the heart into a bubbling water, steam begins to come from that soon. As soon as she inhales the steam she becomes pregnant right away. Then, at that point, the queen eats the beast's heart and get pregnant.